You and I, right now, are living through a shift so massive, it's literally redefining our place in the world. We're talking about the dawn of the age of artificial intelligence. So this isn't just an explainer about some new tech. No, this is an exploration of a brand new era for humanity itself.
Think about it. Everything really does start with our tools. For thousands and thousands of years, our story has been a story of invention, of using our minds to create physical things that extend our reach and our power. It's a good reminder that, at our very core, we are and have always been builders.
But here's the thing. The frontier we're all facing now, it is fundamentally different. It's a whole new landscape, and it's not being defined by matter, but by something else entirely.
And when you see it side by side, the contrast is just wow. The old frontier was tangible, right? You could touch it, shaping matter with earth and steel. This new frontier is completely intangible. It's a landscape of the mind, built from these invisible structures of data and algorithms. We've literally gone from shaping the world around us to shaping intelligence itself.
And this is where it gets really interesting. Every single tool we have ever made says something about us, what we need, what we're aiming for, even what we're afraid of. In that sense, technology has always been a kind of mirror. And AI, well, it might just be the clearest, most complex mirror we've ever held up to ourselves, reflecting our own logic back at us with almost terrifying precision.
So, how is this new intelligence actually showing up in our world? I mean, this isn't some far-off sci-fi concept. It is here, right now, acting like a quiet architect, shaping the very foundations of our daily lives, often without us even noticing.
And let's be clear, this definition is so much more than just simple code. Evolution accelerated. That suggests a pace of change that biology just can't keep up with. Machines that learn and systems that adapt. That means AI isn't static like a hammer. It gets better on its own. That's a fundamental break from every tool that came before. And that last part, intelligence that does not sleep, that is profound. It's this relentless, always-on force.
And this isn't abstract at all. Just think about your day. AI is the invisible engine powering your Google searches. It's the co-pilot in the newest cars. It's the algorithm that suggests what you should binge watch or buy next. And now it's even becoming a creator of art, of music, of text. It's already woven deep into the fabric of our world.
So for a lot of people, this is nothing short of a revolution. A force that has the potential to solve humanity's biggest challenges. I mean, everything from curing diseases to tackling climate change. A whole new renaissance, powered by artificial minds.
But for every single one of those promises, there's a flip side, a perceived peril, a threat, a force that could destabilize economies, automate away our very sense of purpose, or maybe even pose an existential risk. And this tension, this tug-of-war between revolution and threat, is really the central conflict of our time.
You know, to really wrap our heads around the scale of this, we have to think bigger. AI isn't just another cool gadget. People are comparing it to a utility, a change as fundamental as when we first harnessed electricity. It is poised to change absolutely everything about how we live, how we work, and how we connect with each other.
Which, of course, brings us to the most important part of this whole story. The focus is now shifting away from the tech itself and onto us, the creators. We are now faced with what you might call humanity's great question.
We could spend forever just marveling at what AI is capable of, but honestly, that kind of misses the point. The most important conversation we can have is about human choice, about wisdom, and about foresight. The real question is, what are we going to do with this incredible power that we've just unleashed?
And the stakes? They could not possibly be higher. It really feels like we're looking at two very different paths. One path leads to partnership, a future where AI is our greatest ally, helping us solve our grandest challenges. The other path, well, it leads to peril. A future where this exact same power is used to divide us, to control us, or worse. This isn't a technical problem to solve. It's a human one. The direction we go is entirely up to us.
And ultimately, that's what we have to remember. As we're standing here at the gates of tomorrow, holding this immense, world-changing power in our hands, we're seeing that the story of AI isn't really about circuits and code. It is, and always has been, a story about our own values, our own choices, and the kind of future we decide to build together. It's the story of us.